Good morning, students. Today I am making a video of aromatic compounds. So first we discuss what is aromatic compound. So there are four conditions. If these four conditions satisfy by any compound, okay, that compound is called as a aromatic compound. See the first condition, the aromatic compound, it must be cyclic. Cyclic means what? Like this. It is cyclic like this. It is not open chain. So these compounds are cyclic. Suppose the compound is like this. Okay, this compound is not cyclic. Okay, so first condition, aromatic compound should be cyclic. Okay, second condition, it should be conjugated. Conjugated means what? It contains, that particularly compound contains alternate single and double bond. For example, see, suppose this compound is cyclic, okay, and this compound contains alternate single and double bond like this. Double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. Getting? So alternate single and double bond, it is called as conjugation. So when these compounds having alternate single and double bond, okay, there is a ring current. Now see, I can draw this compound like this. Suppose now this double bond is shifted here, this shifted here, this shifted here. So here is double bond. Now this double bond is here, this double bond is here. Okay, so throughout these pi electrons are get circulated inside the ring. Okay, and that produces ring current. Okay, that produces ring current. So we can draw this structure like this. Okay, so this is conjugation. Conjugation means what? Presence of alternate single and double bond. Okay, if compound contains alternate single and double bond throughout the ring, okay, throughout the ring. For example, see, suppose compound is like this. Compound is like this. Okay, here is double bond, single bond, double bond. Okay, see, here is double bond, single bond, double bond. Lekin see, there is a single bond, single bond. So throughout the ring there is no conjugation. So this compound is not aromatic. Are you getting me? So throughout this compound there should be a alternate single and double bond. Here there is double bond, single bond, double bond, then single bond and single bond. Okay, that means there is a no conjugation. So this compound is a not aromatic. Everybody understand the meaning of conjugation? Throughout the ring there should be alternate and single and double bond, and that pi bonds, these are called as pi bonds. So these pi bonds are not fixed. We can move these pi bonds within the ring. Okay, now position of pi bond is in this compound is here, here, here. In this compound is here, here, here. Means they are continuously revolving. That's why they produces ring current. Okay, so this is second condition. First condition, it should be cyclic. Second condition, it should be conjugated. So in other way also, that compound completes the conjugation. So how? With the help of positive or negative charge. Okay, now see, suppose I draw this compound. Here is a double bond, here is a double bond, and suppose negative charge is here. Okay, now you see here there is single bond. Okay, that's why it is not a conjugated. But if you see this compound, now this carbon carries negative charge. Negative charge means there is a 2 electrons. Okay, now with the help of this negative charge, okay, this particularly compound, okay, possess conjugation. See how this is a negative charge. This negative charge goes here, it forms bond, pi bond. So this compound now this pi bond is shifted on this carbon. Okay, so we can write here now. See, negative charges go here, this bond is here, now the new bond is formed here. Okay, so similarly now this negative charge shifted here, this pi bond is shifted on this carbon. So see, now bond is formed here, negative charge is here. Okay, then another conjugation. Now this bond is shifted here. Okay, and this it will form negative charge. So see, now pi bond is formed here, then this bond negative charge is here, this bond is here. Okay, so in this way, see, this negative charge is circulated throughout this ring. Okay, that means conjugation is there, ring current is there. Okay, so either with the help of negative charge or positive charge. Okay, if that compound possesses ring current, okay, it is called as that compound possesses conjugation. Okay, or ring current. Okay, so fourth and important one, see, it must obey Huckel's rule. What is Huckel's rule? 4n plus 2 pi electrons means that compound must contain 4n plus 2 pi electrons. Okay, if that compound contains 4n plus 2 pi electron, then and then only, okay, that compound is called as aromatic. Okay, so what is n? N is any integer whose value is 0, 1, 2, 3. Suppose I put the value n is equal to 0. Okay, so what is the number of pi electrons? Here is I put 0, then number of pi electrons becomes 2. Suppose it is 1, then 6, 2, 10, 3, 14. Okay, so when that compound contains either 2 electrons, 6 electrons, 10 electrons and 14 electrons, then and then only that compound is aromatic. So aromatic compound must be cyclic, it must be conjugated. Conjugated also we can possess by using either by using positive charge or negative charge, and it obey the Huckel's rule, that is 4n plus 2 pi electrons. That means that compound contains either 2 electrons, 6 electron, 10 electron, 14 electron. If you see this compound benzene, okay, see, it is a cyclic, it is conjugated, alternate single and double bond. Okay, and see, it contains how many pi electrons? 2, 4, 6. So 6 pi electrons. That's why this benzene is a aromatic compound. Okay, now if you see this compound, okay, here it is a cyclic, it contains conjugation, because with the help of negative charge we can circulate this charge all over, okay, all over the ring. That means this ring is conjugated. Okay, and see how many electrons it contains. This is 2, this is 4, and this is 2, means 6. 2, 4, 6. So it contains 6 electrons. That means this compound is a aromatic. This compound is a aromatic. Okay, so suppose next compound, suppose I draw this compound. So see, here is okay, see this compound. This compound contains alternate single and double bond. Okay, it is cyclic, it contains alternate single and double bond. But see how many electrons it contains? 2, 4, 6, 8. So it contains 8 electrons, so it does not obey Haeckel's rule. Though it is cyclic and conjugated, but it does not obey Haeckel's rule. Okay, so such compound is not aromatic. Such compounds are not a aromatic. There is a other class. Okay, next lecture or next video lecture I talk about this compound. Okay, this particularly compound is called as anti-aromatic compound. Anti-aromatic compound. So see students, if any compound possesses all these 4 conditions, means it should be cyclic, it should be conjugated, or conjugation is carried out either positive or negative charge, or it contains either 2, 6, 10, 14 likewise electrons, then and then only that compound is called as aromatic compound. Okay, so I posted this video. Okay, thank you.